Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects pretty much everyone: stress. We'll break down what stress really is, how it messes with your body, and most importantly, what you can do about it. Think of stress as your body's alarm system. When you're stressed, your body releases hormones that speed up your heart rate, make you breathe faster, and give you a burst of energy. Now, what's triggering this alarm? Stressors come in all shapes and sizes: work deadlines, money problems, relationship issues, even just a busy schedule. Stress doesn't just live in your head. It can cause headaches, muscle tension, stomach problems, and sleep issues. Ignoring these signs can lead to bigger health problems down the road. Mentally, you might feel anxious, irritable, or find it hard to concentrate. Emotionally, stress can make you feel overwhelmed, sad, or even angry. Recognizing these symptoms is the first step to managing stress. All right, let's get into some simple strategies to tackle stress. First up, deep breathing. It's super easy. Inhale deeply through your nose, hold for a few seconds, and exhale slowly through your mouth. Next, mindfulness and meditation. You don't need to be a guru to do this. Just find a quiet spot, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. There are tons of apps that can guide you through it. Get moving. Exercise is a fantastic stress reliever. Whether it's a walk, a run, or dancing in your living room, physical activity can work wonders for your mood and stress levels. Fuel your body right. A balanced diet can make a big difference in how you handle stress. Load up on fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. And, try to avoid too much sugar and processed foods. Connect with others. Talking to friends and family can provide emotional support and help you feel less alone. Sometimes just venting can make a huge difference. Hey, learn to say no. Overcommitting yourself can, really lead to burnout. Setting boundaries and prioritizing your well-being is super important for managing stress. If stress is seriously impacting your daily life, don't hesitate to seek professional help. Therapists and counselors can, honestly, provide tools and strategies to help you cope. So, there you have it. Understanding stress and implementing these strategies can make a huge difference in your life. Remember, you're not alone, and it's totally okay to ask for help. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this.